Without Warren Buffett being a learning machine, continuous learning machine, the record would have been absolutely impossible. The same is true at lower walks of life. I constantly see people rise in life who were not the smartest, sometimes not even the most diligent, but they are learning machines.
Warren Buffett, one of the world's most renowned investors, has built a vast fortune through his astute financial decisions and disciplined approach to wealth creation. His wisdom and insights can provide invaluable lessons for anyone striving to improve their financial situation. In this video, we will delve into the money habits that Warren Buffett believes may be keeping you broke. By understanding and addressing these habits, you can align your financial practices with Buffett's principles and pave the way towards a more prosperous future. Let's explore the habits you need to break to overcome financial challenges and unlock your true wealth potential, as inspired by the legendary Warren Buffett. One of the money habits Warren Buffett has spoken out against is the habit of living beyond one's means, emphasizing the importance of financial discipline and responsible money management. Living beyond means, a common financial pitfall, refers to spending more money than one earns, often relying on credit cards, loans, or debt to sustain a lifestyle that is not affordable in the long term. This detrimental habit can lead to a cycle of financial instability and hinder individuals from achieving their goals. Buffett has repeatedly warned against the perils of living beyond means, offering invaluable insights on responsible money management. Living beyond means can create a deceptive illusion of wealth. The availability of credit cards and easy access to loans may provide a temporary sense of financial freedom. However, as Warren Buffett cautions, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. This quote encapsulates the stark reality that overspending today can lead to significant sacrifices and financial distress in the future. Relying on credit cards and loans to sustain a lifestyle beyond one's means can quickly spiral into a cycle of debt. High interest rates, compounded with the temptation to continuously borrow, can leave individuals with mounting financial obligations and limited resources for saving or investment. Warren Buffett advises, "It is only when the tide goes out that you learn who's been swimming naked." In times of economic downturn or personal financial hardships, those living beyond their means often find themselves exposed and ill-prepared to weather the storm. To break free from the shackles of living beyond means, cultivating financial discipline is paramount. Budgeting, saving, and practicing delayed gratification are key steps toward financial stability. As Warren Buffett advises, do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. By prioritizing saving and investing, individuals can build a solid financial foundation and ensure a brighter financial future. Warren Buffett's wisdom serves as a guiding light for those caught in the trap of living beyond means. The allure of instant gratification and the pursuit of a lavish lifestyle can blind us to the long-term consequences of overspending. By heeding Buffett's advice and embracing financial discipline, we can break free from this destructive habit and build a secure financial future. Let us remember his words and strive for a life of financial prudence, where spending aligns with our means and long-term goals, leading to true financial well-being and a sense of lasting fulfillment. Another habit that will keep most people broke is not saving for retirement. Retirement is a significant milestone that requires careful planning and financial preparation. Yet many individuals neglect to prioritize retirement saving, risking a financially insecure future. To guide us on this, we draw inspiration from Buffett. Warren Buffett once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This profound statement encapsulates the essence of retirement savings. The choices we make today, such as setting aside funds for our retirement, lay the foundation for a secure and comfortable future. By investing in our retirement early and consistently, we can enjoy the shade of financial security later in life. One of the most valuable lessons in retirement saving is the power of time. Starting early allows us to take full advantage of compounding returns, where our investments generate earnings that in turn generate further earnings. As Warren Buffett advises, the best investment you can make is in yourself. By investing in our retirement from an early age, we empower our future selves with a financial safety net and the potential for substantial growth. Retirement saving requires a clear vision and realistic goals. It's crucial to evaluate our desired lifestyle during retirement and estimate the necessary funds to support it. Warren Buffett's philosophy of value investing can be applied here too. By assigning value to our retirement goals, we can determine the appropriate savings target and work towards achieving it. Utilizing retirement accounts such as 401ks or individual retirement accounts or IRAs is a powerful strategy to maximize savings. These accounts offer tax advantages and potential employer matches, compounding the growth of our retirement nest egg. Prioritizing retirement contributions ensures that we allocate funds for our future first and live within our means thereafter. Investment decisions play a vital role in retirement saving. Buffett encourages us to be cautious with our investments, advising against excessive risk-taking. Diversification and a long-term perspective are key principles to mitigate risk and achieve steady growth. Seeking professional advice and continuously educating ourselves on investment strategies can help us make informed choices aligned with our retirement goals. Retirement saving is not a one-time effort, but a lifelong commitment. Regularly monitoring our retirement portfolio and adjusting our savings plan as needed is essential. As Warren Buffett states, we don't have to be smarter than the rest, we have to be more disciplined than the rest. By staying disciplined and proactive in our retirement savings, we can adapt to changing circumstances and ensure we are on track to meet our goals. The last habit we will talk about is the habit of not having basic financial knowledge. In today's complex financial landscape, having a solid foundation of financial knowledge is essential for making informed decisions and achieving long-term financial success. Unfortunately, a lack of financial education is a perverse habit that leaves many individuals ill-equipped to navigate their financial journey. Buffett, known for his financial acumen, once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." This quote really highlights the significance of financial education. Without a solid understanding of key financial concepts, individuals may unwittingly expose themselves to unnecessary risks or miss out on valuable opportunities for growth and wealth creation. A lack of financial education can perpetuate a cycle of poor financial decision-making. Individuals who are not equipped with the necessary knowledge may struggle to manage their finances effectively, leading to mounting debt, inadequate savings, and missed investment opportunities. This cycle can impede progress towards achieving financial goals and create long-lasting financial challenges. One of the consequences of financial illiteracy is the mismanagement of debt. Without an understanding of interest rates, loan terms, and effective debt repayment strategies, individuals may find themselves burdened with high-interest debt and struggle to break free from its grip. Financial education empowers individuals to make informed decisions about borrowing and develop strategies to minimize and manage debt effectively. Investing is a crucial wealth-building tool, but a lack of financial education can cause individuals to shy away from investing or make uninformed investment choices. The fear of the unknown or a lack of understanding about different investment options can result in missed opportunities for growth. Financial education helps individuals gain the knowledge and confidence needed to make sound investment decisions aligned with their financial goals. Without a strong financial education, individuals may find it challenging to accumulate wealth over time. Lack of knowledge about budgeting, saving, and effective wealth-building strategies can hinder progress toward financial independence. Understanding concepts such as compounding, asset allocation, and diversification enables individuals to develop strategies that promote long-term wealth accumulation. Fortunately, the remedy for a lack of financial education lies in our own hands. By embracing a lifelong learning mindset and actively seeking out financial education resources, we can take control of our financial well-being. Engaging in courses, workshops, reading books, and seeking advice from financial professionals are proactive steps toward enhancing our financial literacy. Thanks for watching. See you soon.